In today's video, like every week, I'm gonna go over cases, document, and emails NVC National Visa Center is working on this week, and also I will check a U.S. Consulate update of 3 countries for you today. If it's something you wanna know, just stay tuned, and I'll be right back.
USA Monde.
Hello, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Monde. Welcome back and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome. Here, my goal is to help newcomers, permanent residents, and also US citizens regarding the immigration questions. Once in a while we talk about different topics, and also I give advice to newcomers to the United States of America so they can stay out of trouble. It's very important, okay? But today's video, like I said in the introduction, is about NVC updates. I update you guys every week regarding cases, document, and email NVC is working on. And this week, I will check a U.S. Consulate update of 3 other countries because it's been a while since I check update of those countries, okay? So guys, if you petition for your relative, meaning that you are a petitioner, okay? You petition for either your spouse, your children, your parent, your siblings, okay? You know that once your case is approved by USCIS, sometimes it will take time before USCIS approves your case. If you petition for your spouse, for example, and you are a green card holder, it might take like a year before USCIS approves the case. But if you are a US citizen, it can take 6 months. It can take up to a month in some cases, okay? But for some of you guys who petition for your siblings, well, the process is a long process, so it might take many years before even USCIS approves the case, okay? But if USCIS already approved your case and your relative lives overseas, your case will move to NVC National Visa Center, okay? But in case your relative lives here in the United States of America, then that case will stay at USCIS, and USCIS will notify you, so the relative or the person you petition for can adjust his or her status here in the United States of America. So now, let's say your relative will come to the United States of America on immigrant visa. Well, NVC do their best to update you regarding what is going on. So your case, once your case moves to their level, they're gonna create a visa case for the intended immigrant, the person who will come to the United States of America on immigrant visa. Once they create a visa case, they will contact you, the petitioner, and provide a case number and invoice ID, which you're gonna use to log into their system, okay? The beneficiary also, especially like if the beneficiary is your spouse, she or he will receive another invoice ID, also the same case number but another invoice ID, so she or he can log into the system to provide different documents. So you, the petitioner, you're gonna submit some document. The intended immigrant also is gonna submit some document. You, the petitioner, you're gonna pay some fees like immigrant visa fees, affidavit of support fees, and then once you upload everything, you submit all those documents, NVC will review the document. So yesterday, NVC announced on their website that they are working on cases they received from USCIS on July 7th, okay, like 5 days ago or 6 days ago. Once they key in all the petition information in their system and create a visa case for you, you submit all the documents, you pay the fees, all those stuff, well, they're going to review everything. If nothing is missing or everything is fine, well, your case is going to be documentary qualified. So yesterday also, NVC announced on their website that they are reviewing documents they received from you guys on June 4th. So, hopefully everything is fine. Then your case will be in line to move to the U.S. Consulate, where the intended immigrant will go on for interview, okay? So, we all know that most of the U.S. Consulate resume partial visa services, and then they are working on visa cases based on priorities, okay? Some of the visa categories are on top of the priority list, and some of them are on the bottom. At this point, guys, you just have to wait until NVC National Visa Center schedule an interview appointment for you. But if you feel like you have something's going on and you need to expedite your case, well, you can send your expedite request to NVC to see if they can approve it. Once they approve it, well, they can expedite your case. Other than that, you just have to wait. Even if you hire an immigration lawyer, there's not much they can do. So the third update today is regarding email. Some of you guys send different email to NVC regarding different questions. Well, they announced on their website yesterday also that they are responding to email they received from you guys on June 17. Okay, make sure you monitor your emails so you don't miss any email coming from NVC National Visa Center. So like I say at the beginning of this video, I'm gonna check a US consulate update of 3 other countries for you today. If you're ready, let's go in front of my computer. Okay guys, some of you guys who are new here, to check a US consulate update of your country or the country where your relative will go for interview, you come to this website, which is usembassy.gov. okay, and then from here you will choose the name of your country. Okay, you can either click on the letter that starts on the name of your country, and then from there, like say over here like A, so we'll see, you know, the list of countries which name will start with A. Okay, you see Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria, all those stuff. Okay, that's how you check, and then from here you click on the name of your country, and then you will go to the US consulate website to check the update. Okay, so the first country we're going to check the update for today, we'll start with letter H. Okay, and then I will click on H, and then as you can see we have a list of all the countries that start with H. Okay, it's going to be Haiti. So Haiti, once you click on that, you go to the website. The website will look like this. That's the US Embassy in Haiti. So what is going on? So as far as update, as you can see here, the U.S. Embassy in Port-au-Prince thanks consulate customer for their patience as we continually work to serve the public while mitigating the negative effect of COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, that's the same. They have this on their website, you know, since they start working on visa cases. Okay, but the new update, basically, as you can see here, they're saying that the U.S. Embassy in Port-au-Prince has further reduced the number of daily in-person visa appointments. So they reduced that a little bit because of the pandemic, because the case increases. They say due to the recent increase in incident of COVID-19 in Haiti, and that's the reason why they reduced the number of daily in-person visa appointment. Okay, but for non-immigrant visa here, so we're going to go to immigrant visa in a second, but for non-immigrant visa, they say non-immigrant visa unit is offering a limited number of in-person appointment for student visas in the F, M, and J visa classes. Okay, and also they say of this limited number of in-person appointment for petition-based visas such as H, L, P, and R visa classes. Here they say we are continuing to process a limited number of interview waiver visa renewal application on a limited basis, which must be scheduled online as a drop-off appointment. We are not processing any other non-immigrant visa classes at this time. So other than these visa classes they listed here, they are not processing any other immigrant visa classes. Okay, so for immigrant visa, as you can see here, they say immigrant visa unit has canceled all remaining June 2021 visa appointment. We will work on to reschedule this appointment as soon as condition permitted. Okay, we will continue to process cases for adopt children of a U.S. citizen, case in which an applicant will otherwise age out of a visa category, and certain emergency cases. So those are kind of like cases that are prioritized by the U.S. Embassies. Okay, and also they say emergency appointment requests for documentary qualified cases are considered on a case-by-case basis. So if you send like emergency request, like expedite or request, whatever, they will work on those based on you know, when the case is documentary qualified, basically. Okay, so they also say what is here. So basically, if you receive a notification from the embassy that they cancel your visa appointment, where they will send you instruction regarding how to reschedule your appointment. Okay, so as far as what is going on in Haiti right now, I check on their website. They're saying that yesterday, November, July, they said the consulate session is resuming limited services starting Monday, July 12th. If you have an emergency, please refer to our website for information regarding how to obtain an appointment or contact us. Okay, so well, in general, they resume limited visa services, and because of what happened a few days ago in Haiti. I think they closed the embassy, now they're reopening. So if you have any question, you can contact the embassy directly. You can call them. They have their phone number. You can call them directly. Okay. So let's move to another country. The next country we're going to check a U.S. consulate update for is going to be Pakistan. Okay, so Pakistan over here, they're saying that the U.S. embassy in Islamabad has resumed limited immigrant and non-immigrant visa interviews. Okay, the Consulate General in Karachi has resumed limited processing of non-immigrant visas. So it says if you have an urgent matter and need to travel immediately, please follow the guidance provided not to request an emergency appointment. So in general here, well, they resume limited visa services. If you're still waiting for your appointment and visiting contact you yet, you just have to wait until they do so. If you have any question, yeah, well, you can contact NVC or contact the embassy for different questions. But as far as visa appointment, if there is no appointment availability, NVC won't be able to schedule any appointment for you. Good thing is here they resume partial visa services, so hopefully you will get your interview appointment letters, or your relative will get interview appointment letter, so he or she can go to the interview. Okay, so that's what is going on in Pakistan. Nothing much. Let's move to the third country. I want to check a U.S. consulate update for today. It's going to be U.S. embassy in Ghana. Okay, so in Ghana, over here, they said consulate session of the U.S. embassy in Accra is scheduling a limited number of visa appointments for qualifying applicants. If you have an upcoming appointment at the U.S. embassy Accra, please watch this video. So they have a link here to watch the video to learn about health protocols, and that will help. That will keep us all safe on during your visit. So you have to watch this video. Whatever it is in the video will help you to follow the protocol, and this protocol will help you keep everybody safe on during your visit. Okay, that's what it's about. So let me click on this one and see what it is. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to watch it, but it's a YouTube video, because I can see here the link is YouTube. So it's taking time to upload. Let me see. Okay, so okay, it's a YouTube video you're gonna watch. Okay, it's taking time to upload, but you got a point. You just click on, once you click on that link, it will bring you to this video where you can you see here, let's say as you can see, I don't know if you can see here, they say what to expect at your consular appointment. Okay, all right guys, I'm gonna move back to the update. So basically that's what is going on, and also here they have some other information. They say immigrant visa applicants are processed according to worldwide prioritizing guidance. Well, like I told you, they schedule interview appointment based on priorities. For example, spouse of a U.S. citizen will get a appointment before somebody who is on green card or lottery visa winner. Okay, so yeah, that's how they schedule an interview appointment. As far as a non-immigrant visa, so they're saying that a non-immigrant visa applicant are processed for student, temporary workers, and for the travelers emergency medical care via expedited request. Student F1JM and temporary workers on C1 DHLOPR whose start date no earliest entry date is within 45 days will submit an expedited request via this link right here. If there is no other available appointment during the 45 days period. Okay, so they are working on those non-immigrant visa category. As far as visitor visa, they're saying that visa holders in possession of a still valid or expired B1 or B2 visa are encouraged to apply for a renewal via the interview waiver program. Appointment for routine non-immigrant visa interview, including B1, B2 tourist or visitor visa interviews, are accurately limited, and applicants should expect a lengthy waiting period for routine appointment. Expect that interview requests for business, tourism, or family vacation visitation travel are not being considered for emergency appointment at this time. So basically, that's what is going on in Accra. Okay, so some of you guys who are immigrant visa applicant, well, if you still didn't get your interview appointment letter yet, you have to wait until NVC is able to schedule the appointment for you. As far as non-immigrant visa, well, if your visa category is not included in the one they listed here, you just have to wait until they start providing visa in your category. Okay, so guys, if you have any question, let me know in the description below. If you want me to check a US consulate of your country, if you want me to check the update for you, let me know in the description below as well. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love it, learn something from it. If you know somebody who might benefit from this video, please share with that person. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to be notified every time I have a new video, hit the bell. If you are new here, you like what you're seeing, you've been watching my video, you never subscribe, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below this video. If you want to support this channel, we have a USMO shop. You can see the link in the description below. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.